Upon receiving your tank, remove the retaining pin from the lever. Open your lever to the largest diameter. Remove your clamp ring from your tank. Locate the cotter key on the lever mechanism. Remove your cotter key, saving it for later use. Remove your retaining pin. Also retain it for later use. Get the lever mechanism out of the way. This should now give you adjustment to your all thread. Adjust your all thread till approximately 1 inch of all thread is sticking through. Realign your lever mechanism. Insert your pin. Insert your cotter key. Twist the end of your cotter key over to keep it from coming out. Open your clamp ring to the largest diameter, starting on one side of the ring. Close your clamp down. Reinsert your pin. Move to the opposite side of your clamp ring. Loosen your retaining nut. Adjust your torque wrench to 30 foot-pounds. Tighten your clamp ring till 30 foot-pounds is achieved. Turn your retaining nut and tighten.